Hello everyone, in this tutorial you learn how to back up your router's configuration and send it to yourself via email. So you need to go to System, Scheduler, and we're going to create a schedule. And this schedule I'm going to call config backup. And the start date is the date when you want the schedule to start, and the time and the interval. Interval is how often the scheduler will be executed. So I'm going to set this to 24, and this 24 stands for 24 hours. So this is where you have the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. And if you are not a subscriber, please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel. And then click on the notification bell to get notified when new videos are released. Thank you for your support. I'm going to put a script here that will do the backup and the email of the backup. And here's the script. The script will be placed in the description of the video, so you can use it. All you need to modify is the to address, and this address should be your email address. So what the script does is that it exports the file, send an email to this email address, and attach the backup file, which is export.rsc. Alright, I'm going to schedule this to run in a few seconds from now. So I'm going to just set the time that I want it to start. I'm going to set to 36. Apply, OK. So I set it to run at that particular time, and when the schedule is executed, you'll see the run count change to 1. So let us wait on it. Alright, so it has changed to 1 because it's just executed. And what will happen now is that I should be getting an email shortly. So during that time, if I go to File, you might see a backup currently being run. So you have a backup file here, and then afterwards it will email it. So let us go to the email account and check. So now the backup file has reached. Look at the file. So the email shows the subject and the configuration time with the date, and now we have the backup file. So this file, you can actually store it for safekeeping, just in case something goes wrong with the router. You can always use this to restore your router back to its previous setting. So that's an easy way of backing up your router's configuration and emailing to yourself. You can also adjust the schedule as you please. So that's it for this tutorial. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please remember to do so. So thanks for watching.